Every fragrance begins with nature's most delicate blooms.
Skilled hands gather each flower at peak freshness.
Every fragrance begins with nature's most delicate blooms. Only the finest botanicals move forward for extraction.
Each batch is checked carefully to protect purity and aroma.
The journey continues toward the perfumery.
Here, natural's essence enters the world of innovation.
The aromatic potency on these is excellent.
Agreed, and the color saturation is perfect for the new line.
Every element is carefully prepared for extraction.
Begins with the purity of its ingredients.
Essences blend to create the perfume's heart. The amber levels are fluctuating outside the acceptable range.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Each drop moves through a journey of refinement.
Precision ensures consistency at every step.
In perfect harmony, the perfume takes form. Temperature and time unlock every hidden note.
Innovation drives perfection in every cycle. Each moment shapes the signature scent.
Is the soul of the fragrance.
Every bottle becomes a work of art. Automation ensures flawless presentation. Only the finest bottles pass inspection.
For delivery across the globe.
With passion from start to finish.
And that's how perfume is made. A file. A journey from nature to elegance.
More factory stories await you.